Do you need to lose weight urgently? Looking for tips and secrets on the best way to lose weight healthily? Find out in a few minutes how to use the correct emergency weight loss system using the powerful method found in this channel. Subscribe and activate the bell to be notified as soon we upload a new video. Weight loss benefits healthy. Welcome, beautiful one. I will cover 20 secrets on how to lose weight effectively and fast, and you'll see it's easy and really works. Oh, and stay till the end because I will show you the top secret determinant to lose weight effectively and fast. Secret number 1. Before you set a weight loss goal, it's important to understand the benefits of losing weight. Secret number 2. Understanding the wide range of weight loss benefits may help to keep you motivated during the challenging moments of your diet and exercise program. Before going to secret number 3, can we ask you to please subscribe to support this channel? It will cost you nothing and will mean a lot for us for the hard work we put on each video. Thanks so much. You are truly awesome. Your mom should be really proud of you. Now let's continue. Secret number 3. Every weight loss journey hits a rough patch at some point. Secret number 4. To set yourself up for success, consider all of the different ways that losing weight may improve your social life, your physical health, and your psychological health. Secret number 5. Make a list of the weight loss benefits that mean the most to you and keep it in your weight loss journal. Then visit the list on the days when you feel discouraged. Secret number 6. Health benefits. You don't have to lose hundreds of pounds to enjoy the physical health benefits of weight loss. Secret number 7. If you are currently overweight or obese, you may be able to lose just a small amount of weight to improve your overall health. Secret number 8. In fact, some studies show that just a 5% to 10% decrease in your weight can change your health. Secret number 9. Losing weight can mean 1. Decreased risk of diabetes. 2. Lowered blood pressure. 3. Improved cholesterol levels. 4. Decreased risk of certain cancers. 5. Improved mobility. 6. Decreased joint pain. 7. Improved blood sugar levels. 8. Decreased risk of stroke. 9. Reduced back pain. 10. Decreased risk or improvement in symptoms of osteoarthritis. 11. Decreased risk or improvement in symptoms of sleep apnea. Secret number 10. Your doctor can provide more personalized information about the health benefits you can expect to see when you lose weight. Secret number 11. For example, you may be able to decrease or eliminate certain medications or reduce your risk of disease. Secret number 12. Your doctor may also be able to provide a recommendation or referral to a registered dietitian or physical therapist to help you build a healthy weight loss program. Secret number 13. Lifestyle benefits. In addition to the medical benefits, you may also experience an improved lifestyle if you lose weight. People who have successfully lost weight report 1. More active social life. 2. Greater confidence. 3. Better sleep. 4. Improved energy. 5. Improved sex life. 6. Decreased stress. 7. Improved body image. 8. Improved vitality. 9. Improved mood. Secret number 14. Weight loss in your relationships. The medical and lifestyle benefits may be enough to motivate you to stick to a weight loss program. But some people also try to lose weight to improve the quality of a relationship. For example, you might want to lose weight to save your marriage. Secret number 15. This is an area where the benefits of losing weight get tricky. While some people have better relationships after weight loss, losing weight to make someone else happy is not always a smart idea. Secret number 16. There may be other relationship problems that weight loss won't solve. And when you diet or exercise to make someone else happy, you might lose weight in the beginning, but the weight often comes back. Secret number 17. Having social support can certainly have a positive impact on your weight loss journey, but to ensure long-term success, make sure that ultimately, you're losing weight for yourself and your personal goals. Secret number 18. A word from Verywell: if you decide that there are significant reasons for you to lose weight, then there's no time like the present to start your weight loss journey. Secret number 19. Your first step should be to set a reasonable goal. Then make small changes to your daily routine and eating habits. Secret number 20. Ask for weight loss help from your healthcare provider and from friends and family to make the process easier. Now comes the secret surprise that I promised. I hear you say, but I cannot wait. I need to lose weight right now. What if you melted 50 pounds of fat? Stay with me 2 more minutes and I will tell you what thousands of other people, as wonderful as you are, have done so far. The secret is this: have you heard about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, ancient Japanese tonic? Now, this is what you want. Let me give you the resource to achieve what you're looking for. And finally, the best kept secret is right inside the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 lbs of fat. The link to it is in the description. It's the first link you will find. You should seriously consider it. You surely heard about losing weight, the wise comments and expositions from these mentors. 1. Malia Frey. 2. Aaron Heger. 3. Nadia B. Pietrikowska. 4. Stephanie O'Leary. 5. Natalie Butler. 6. Melissa Conrad Stopler. 7. Moira Lawler. We really suggest you take a look. It will greatly help you too. You really are an amazing person. You made it to the end of this video. We would really love you subscribe and activate the bell. It would be highly appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Please comment below. What will you do first with the new, stylized and elegant figure you will acquire with these 20 weight loss techniques? Also, if it's possible, like, share and comment. You do best. Do not forget. There is a failsafe solution in the description. God bless you forever.